Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be mounting this 55-inch flat screen TV on this feature wall. I'll be using the tilting TV wall mount from Mountain Dream. I've added the link to the product in the description below. As usual guys, before you start any project, open up your package, read the instructions, organize your parts, familiarize yourself with what you're about to get yourself into. This is the top end tilting feature of the bracket. It's pretty simple enough to work with. This is the bottom end locking feature of this bracket, which is used to hold the TV in place once it's on the wall. It can be adjusted by pulling on this draw strap. This is a very tight fit. That's why I recommend using the extension on the screwdriver with the Allen key bit. I personally find the existing drawstrings awkward to use, so I'm going to modify this for my own personal liking. And there you have it, success. I must admit, this job was extremely easy. The template was easy to follow, the instructions were good, and didn't have any problems with the materials that came in the box. So I would highly recommend this product. See you the next time for our next project. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit notification, leave a comment, and I'll see you on our next project.